So students, as I have asked you to do the project, and I think you have already done it, some of you have done it in the hard copy, that is in paper, and some of you have done it digitally, either in MS Word or in MS PowerPoint or in any other format. Now for the project, it has to be submitted to the school. Your guardians have to come and physically submit the project to the school. Now those of you who have already done it in paper or in hard copy, in any sheet or whatever, practical sheet, rule sheet, white sheet, I've got no problem with that. It's alright for them. They can just put it in a channel file and bring it. For those of you who have done it digitally, you will simply take a print out of the project. Okay, you will take a print out of the project and then put it in a channel file and ask your guardians to come and submit it in the school. Okay, now this, no problem. Just take out the pages and put it in a channel file and submit it. Got it? Now this is the rule of submitting the project. The date of submitting the project will be given after the exam. Okay, after the exam. If it is a difficulty for you, Rishabh, by online there is no chance. Well, you will have to come to school now that everything is open again. So, and it will be given after the exam is over. Okay, so if there is some really emergency problem because of which you are not able to come to school at all, then whenever the date will be given, you please call the school management and ask it from them. Okay, this is the rule which I just told you. Can you come to submit? I don't know about that. Okay, I think the guardians will be asked to come to submit. I don't know if the students can accompany them. It shouldn't be a problem, but I have no information about that. Okay, so let us start with a revision. Is it clear? Any confusion is there regarding this matter? I hope not. Okay, now let us do all the chapters a little bit. Suppose, let us begin with grammar. What kind of questions will be coming from grammar? Tenses is there, that means present tense, future tense, past tense, even though I think present tense was strictly in the term 1 syllabus, I think. I have forgotten. Anyway, tenses, you will study all the tenses. Okay, you will study all the tenses because they are important for every step of the rest of your life. Tenses, a lot of objective questions come from tenses in different exams. So I want you all to have a good base of that. Okay. And if you are, one new student has joined today. If you have a good grasp, you have a good grip of it, if you have a good grip on tenses, you will be able to do lot of different other things. Like active passive voice also depends on tenses. Direct indirect speech or whatever you will have to do, everything is related to tenses. So you just have to remember that from tenses. Yes, present tense is very easy and it was there in the term 1 syllabus, right? So you will just do all the tenses together. That means just do tenses in general. Suppose a little bit of MCQ questions I am giving you from tenses. The kind of question that might come in the syllabus, that means that might come in the exam. It will be very easy for you. Suppose this question. Okay, like this. Okay, this kind of questions. I dash working all afternoon and have just finished the assignment. So what should it be? Option. The first question, what should it be? No, remember, if one part of the sentence is already in present tense, you cannot change the other part into past tense. Okay, so what should it be? Suppose the second part is already given, have just finished, that means it is in the present tense, right? So you will have to write it in the present tense. Now what should be the present tense? Present perfect continuous. I don't know about that, if online classes will be done. Okay. Nothing has been decided about that. I have been. Very good. And what about the second question which I gave you? Rohan dashed the movie before he read the review. No. Rohan dashed the movie before he read the review. The second part is in simple past tense. So, I have told you, when in a sentence two actions in the past are conveyed, one of the action has happened in the earlier past and the other action has happened in the later past. For that, the action which has happened in the earlier past will have the past perfect tense. So, the answer of the second sentence will be, Rohan had watched the movie before he read the review. Okay. Yes, very good. Many of you have answered it correctly. Had watched. Yes. Okay, good. So, this kind of questions will come from tenses. Okay. Now, come to the chapter prepositions. And yes, from 3 chapters, that is understanding words better, spellings and synonyms and antonyms, I have set all the questions from the book. Okay, all the questions from the book, which means that you will have to study all the words which are given in the chapters, all the charts which are given, all the tables which are given containing the different words with their meaning. You will have to study all of them. Okay. So, let's give you a little bit of questions from preposition. Which 3 chapters? Spellings, antonyms and synonyms, understanding words better. These 3 chapters, I have given all the questions from the book itself. Okay. That is, whatever word is given in the book, you will have to study that. Suppose from preposition this kind of question will come. The books are dash the table. Then 4 options will be given: in, with, at, on. The books are dash the table and 4 options will be given. On, yes, correct. Next question is, I bought a new t-shirt dash my birthday. With, on, to, at. These 4 options are given. Yes, this will also be on. Next question is, there are toys dash the drawer. There are toys dash the drawer. The 4 options given are in, among, into, at. So, what would be the correct option? Yes, you have already written in. Even before getting the options, you can understand what it should be. So, I think you all have a good idea about writing MCQ or finding the right answers in MCQ. The boy was punished dash the teacher. No questions will come because writing is not there. Okay, Sashikant? The boy was punished dash the teacher. The options given are for, after, at, by. What should it be? By. Yes, very good. You have already written. She died dash cholera. She died dash cholera. The options which are given are number 1 of, number 2 with, number 2 3 by, number 4 in. She died. What should be? Yes, of. Very good. The answer will be of. Okay, not by. She died of cholera. Cholera is the name of a disease. Because of the disease, she died. So, the right answer will be she died of cholera. Next question for preposition is, I leave my bed dash 6 o'clock daily. I leave my bed dash 6 o'clock daily. Very good. The answer will be at. Very good. Next question is, I am not talking dash you. I am not talking dash you. What should be the answer? To. Yes, correct. I am not talking to you. Next question is, divide the sweets dash the two boys. Divide the sweets dash the two boys. No, it will be talking to you. Okay, we say talking to you, not with. No. Divide the sweets dash two boys. If two is there, between. If more than two is there, among. Got it? So it will be between. So this is all about a little bit of preposition, practice from preposition. Let's see something else. Let's start from adverbs a little bit. Most of you are able to answer all the answers correctly. So all of you will be able to do it properly. I'm sure of that. Okay. Suppose this kind of question is there. Let me type the answers, questions. He dash goes to the cinema. He dash goes to the cinema. The four options are: number 1, rarely; number 2, carefully; number 3, quite; number 4, rather. So what should be the answer? He dash go to the cinema. Yes, it will be rarely. He rarely goes to the cinema. Then the next question is, the boy dash walked to the stage. The boy dash walked to the stage. The options given are: number 1, slowly; number 2, neatly; number 3, early; number 4, heavily. Number 1, slowly; number 3, neatly; number 2, neatly; number 3, early; and number 4, heavily. So the answer will be slowly. Okay, slowly went on the stage, walked to the stage. The appropriate answer out of the four options, that will be your answer. The next question is, you are dash right. You are dash right. Option 1 is quite. Option 2 is well. Option 3 is now. Option 4 is how. Okay. So what should it be? No, Roshni. Yes, it will be quite. Very good. It will be quite. You are quite right. We don't say you are now right. Okay. I can understand what the meaning you are trying to convey, but in the English language we don't speak like that, right? We never say you are now right. Okay, we don't say that. So it will be quite. Yes, no questions will come from the text portion of PT2, but grammar portion will come, and tenses, all the tenses you will do. Okay, for grammar. Next question is, dash can you do that? Dash can you do that? The options are how, whose, who. Okay, 3 options: how, whose, and who. How. Yes, how can you do that? Okay. Now, this is a little bit of revision about the adverb portion. Come to, yeah, from suppose from spellings, what kind of questions will come? From the book itself it will come, but the kind of question is, it will be very easy. It will be like, identify the correct spelling, and then 4 options of one word will be given. Okay, suppose miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is a word. I will be spelling miscellaneous in 3 wrong ways and 1 correct way in the 4 options. Whatever is the correct word, whatever spelling is the correct spelling, you will be pointing out that spelling in the exam. Okay, got it? The kind of question which will come from spelling, did you get it? The question will be, identify the correct spelling, and then 4 options will be given where 3 wrong spellings will be there and 1 correct spelling will be there, and you will have to identify the correct spelling. Got it? Okay, come to the next one, that is understanding words better. What kind of question might come? There can be 2 kinds of question from understanding words better. Either it can be a meaning question. Identify the correct meaning, and the word will be given, and you will have to identify the correct meaning from the 4 options given. Very simple. And the other thing that we can do is verbs and prepositions hand in hand. Okay, they are more like preposition chapter only, Roshni. Okay, That is just questions of verbs and prepositions hand in hand is just an extra with preposition. Even if that chapter was not included, you could have done it, because you just have to provide the preposition at the right way. So you will study all the words combination which are given in the book from verbs and preposition. Okay, and synonyms and antonyms also will be the same kind of questions will be there. Identify the correct synonym or identify the correct meaning, then identify the antonym of the following word, like that. Very easy. Okay, now come to the text portion. Let us begin with what are the chapters from the supplementary text. Open window is there, and what is the other chapter? Let's see the syllabus. Fight, yes. So let me, I have not discussed any question from the fight, so let me ask you a few questions from the fight. Okay, any other chapter is there? Yes, the meanings which are given in the text, those texts which are there in the term 2, only those meanings you will study for the text. Okay. Now let me ask you a few questions from the fight. All the questions will be fact based question. Okay, based on the fact which is given in the book. So you will study the chapter thoroughly. Notice writing, no. How can I give question from notice or letter writing? Because it's an MCQ question. Right. Okay. The first question, suppose Ranji discovered a pool in the forest in the season which was four options are given: very hot, very cold, rainy, and what else is given? Autumn. So it will be very hot. Okay, in a season which was very hot. It was summer season. Then in the Rajputana, the place where he lived before, Ranji had known the four options which are given are better pools, similar pools, muddy pools, no pools. What will it be? In Rajputana, just tell me the answer, don't tell me the option. It will be muddy pools. Yes, in Rajputana, Ranji had known muddy pools. The next question is, Ranji met Suraj at the pool, at the secret pool on the first day. Option 1 is first day, option 2 is second day, option 3 is third day, option 4 is fourth day. It will be second day. Correct. Okay. Ranji was taken aback at the number 1, friendliness of Suraj, number 2, hostility of Suraj, number 3, capacity of Suraj to swim. Yes, it will be hostility. While Suraj called himself a warrior, Ranji said that he was a option A, gentle boy, option 2, student, option 3, Rajput, option 4, fighter. So what will it be? Yes, it will be fighter. While Suraj called himself a warrior, Ranji said that he was a fighter. Okay. Next question is, what did Ranji agree to teach? What did Ranji agree to teach Suraj? What did Ranji agree to teach Suraj? Option A, how to dive. Option 2, how to swim underwater. Option C, how to be a pahalwan. And option D, both A and B. Look at it properly and then answer me. Yes, both A and B. So the answer will be option D. Ranji agreed to teach Suraj how to dive as well as how to swim underwater. So these are some of the probable questions from the chapter The Fight. Read questions of this type or read the entire chapter well, so you will be able to answer any question which is there. The next, any other chapter is there from supplementary? Open window is there, fight is there. Anything else is there from the supplementary? No. Okay, let me ask you a few questions from open window then. Open window. Okay, first of all, tell me what did Frampton Nuttall bring with him when he came to visit Mrs. and Mr. Sappleton, or the Sappletons' residence? What did Mr. Yes, a letter of introduction. Meanings from supplementary will come. See, if the meanings, whichever meaning is given either from text supplementary or from main text, some meanings are already given alongside the chapter. Remember, in some chapters some meanings are given, only those meanings you will do. Okay, if there are meanings like that, then only those meanings you will do. Got it? Any other confusion regarding meanings? Okay, now next question is, Frampton Nuttall was treated for what disease? Frampton Nuttall was treated for what disease? Was being treated for what disease? What disease? Yes, nerve cure. Yes. The next question is, Vera spoke of a great tragedy which happened. Vera spoke of a great tragedy which happened when, option A, Frampton's sister was in the village. Option 2, Frampton's sister had not yet come there. Option C, Frampton's sister had left the village. Option D, Frampton was not even born. So it will be option C, Frampton's sister had left the village. Okay. Another question, some other question, let's see. Vera said that the window was kept open because her aunt believed that her husband would, option A, would walk in through it. Number 2, would love to see it open. Option C, would come in the shape of a ghost. Option D, would come in with other ghosts. So it will be option A, right? Would walk in through it. Okay. So this is all about a lot of questions we discussed from open window. Let's go to another chapter which is there in your syllabus. Tell me which chapter? Lioness we have already done last day. So anything else is left? I have forgotten the syllabus actually. What other chapters are left which you would like to revise today? Great Stone Face, and what else is there from main text? Yeah, Great Stone Face is there. Apart from Great Stone Face, what other chapters are there from the main text? Monsoon Diary is there, Schoolboy is there, and Schoolboy was there in PT2, but no question was set, so no questions will come from Schoolboy. Okay, because I told you only questions from PT2 text will come. Yes, it was there in PT2. No, Schoolboy is not there. What are the other chapters? Let me see the syllabus. No more. When I set out for Lioness, A Short Monsoon Diary, The Great Stone Face. So it has 2 parts. So it's like 2 chapters, big chapters. The Fight, The Open Window. So let us ask a few questions from Great Stone Face. Okay. Visit to Cambridge was there in PT2, right? It will not come in term 1, term 2. Okay. So from Great Stone Face, let me ask you a few questions. Mute. Okay. One question might be like this. The Great Stone Face was made by option A, nature, option 2, sculptors, option 3, Ernest, option 4, Ernest's forefathers. Yes. The answer will be nature. Okay, it was a natural creation. The next question is, many people believed that the valley was fertile because option A, the good climate, option B, the river, option C, of the grace of the great stone face, option D, the soil was good. What will be the answer? Yes, option C, of the grace of the great stone face. Okay. The old prophecy was that one day, let me give this question. The old prophecy was that one day, option A, the great stone face would disappear, option B, the great stone face would come to life, option C, the great stone face would cause havoc to the valley, and option D, a man with that face would come in the valley. So it will not be option B, it will be option D. Okay, a man with that face would appear in the valley. Okay, so read the question properly before jumping to the answer. Okay, it's going to be an MCQ question, so please read them properly before writing the answer. So this is all about today's revision. We will meet again tomorrow. Bye students, we will discuss more and more about it. Please give your attendance.